So that sucks. I dropped the bike, but I think we can get it back up, maybe. Hello everyone and welcome to day 18 of my Iceland trip. I'm in Vik in Myrdal, and the first thing today is to visit the black sand beach, Reynisfjara. Probably should have done it yesterday, would have been less people, but I was ready to camp, so I'll do it now. And today is a really nice day, 19 degrees, and it's, what is it, 10:15 in the morning. Another great day in Iceland! Yeehaw! Yeah, loads of people today, but I'm sure we can find parking for the bike. But let's go to the beach. So, that was a visit to the black sand beach. Pretty nice. And yeah, if the waves allow it, definitely go around the edge, or you know, the columns where everyone is taking pictures. If you go, yeah, you just go further along the beach, there is way less people, and it's yeah, it's pretty nice. There's a place just around the corner there. There was a lot of puffins and seagulls nesting on the cliff. Pretty nice. And yeah, over there on the cliff, that's where I went yesterday for the viewpoints. So now I'm heading. I'm actually heading to a campsite a bit in the mountain, I guess. It was the one I was considering yesterday, but it's I think it's an hour ride, and yeah, it would have been really late because I needed to eat and charge first as well. So, but the ride up there should be pretty nice, I think. So, just gotta go there since the weather is so nice. I think I forgot there was also a whale swimming past the beach. I think I got some of it on camera, but not sure. That was nice. Yeah, it's only like 16 kilometers of gravel. I thought it was double that, but okay, but not so far then. But yeah. Let's hope it's a good ride. Nice place. So that sucks. I was okay. I just well, actually I lost my my camera mount broke, so I was busy looking at that and didn't pay attention, so I dropped the bike. But I think we can get it back up, maybe. I just have to, let's see, just have to put something on the front brake so I don't slide. Yeah, that was stupid. Let's see them. Yeah, we're back. All right, let's get the stand down. Yeah, the drop guards worked. This one is bent a little bit, so yeah, have to bend it back up. I think we need to get the tools out and fix it a bit. But otherwise, I think we're pretty good. Yeah. Alright, I was hoping I wouldn't need the drop guards, but you know, they work. So yeah, this one just broke off. I'll see if I can. I think I have a spare, so I'll fix it. And yeah, I'll move out of the way a bit and then I'll have to tighten my handguards. Okay, see. Mode to skip, yeah. Let's get this off. Yes, good to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop here and fix stuff. Let's see here, tool set. These are, I wonder if that's the big Allen key. Let's see, is it? Nope. Then it must be, let's see here. If I have something that fits, 8. 6. Okay. That's good. I guess that should do it. Right. One thing fixed. Why am I missing something here? Huh. Don't know. And where is that now? Yeah, I'm not good at keeping track of my tools. Oh, there it is. That one there and in there. This one back in here. There. Right, that last thing, I'm sure I'll never use anyway, so maybe I didn't bring it. I have no idea. It's not here, so yeah, maybe it wasn't there. Let me see, let me find the other part before I take this off. So I have it ready. Okay, so this goes there. This one to go in here. Then we put that on top there. And the screws. Okay, and then we just tighten this up. And we should be all good. Camera like that, I think. Just tighten it up. Yeah, I think that's pretty okay. Yeah, that will have to do. So, that was the first actual real fall. And it was super stupid. It was like, you know, this mount broke, so the camera with the arm fell down and lay in between here. So as I was going around the turn, I was, man, it's heavy to turn, what's going on? I was thinking to have a flat tire or something. The bike is so weird, but everything looks fine. And then I looked down and there was the camera. So I was kind of fiddling with that in the middle of a turn, and yeah, I was going down here. So I kind of braked a little bit, but then I also started to, you know, adjust the throttle and actually give some speed instead of stopping. I don't know, brain lock. So so instead of stopping, I actually started moving forward, and then and then I realized, and I hit the brake, and the front wheels slid a little bit, and I was down, and the bike tilted like completely over, but thanks to I think mostly thanks to both the luggage and the crash bars, it was easy to lift it like back, so it was kind of at an angle, and from that position it's not really hard to lift it. So let's continue on our way. We have 3.8 kilometers to get to the place. So let's try to get there now without any more accidents. But man, that was a really stupid and completely unnecessary drop. I have no idea what I was doing. But well, it's good to know that we can get the bike back up again. Yeah, but it's a nice ride. Yeah, on a beautiful day. Oh, this would have been a nice place to camp. There are some hiking trails from this place, so if you're into hiking, I think it's a good spot. Really nice place. Cool. Okay, so I'm making my way back now. Yeah, lovely place. I'm not sure how you pronounce this. Takil or something like that. I don't know. The name is on screen, or have been on screen at some point. The Yoda cave I just paid. So I just visited a cave known as the Yoda cave. I'll put up an image, and you'll probably see how it got the name. And pretty cool. I just did a little detour into this area that took me closer to the glacier Not all the way, but pretty close at least. I think the road ends here. I don't see it continuing. Maybe it did at some point. But yeah, glacier over there and up there. Nice. Well, I'll just have to make my way back. It was a bit rocky, but yeah, not too bad.
So I think I'll end the video here. Now I'm just making my way to a campsite. And yeah, I forgot to end the video as usual, and I didn't film much more this day, so I'll just put up the map now and show where I went today. And then that was it for this video. So today took me from here, Vik in Myrdal, and then I took a trip down to the Black Sand Beach. And then I took this road up here, up to this campsite in the mountain area. Really nice trip. And somewhere around here, I guess, I dropped the bike. And yeah, afterwards I continued on my way east and stopped on a campsite up here, close to the Svartifoss waterfall. I took an evening hike up to see the waterfall. It was pretty nice. Yeah, so that was it for this video. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye!